I'm going to show you how to animate in Canva. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So your first step would be to open any browser and go to this website, canva.com. And once you're here, you just need to open any of your design, or you can also choose to create a new design. And once you're there, just select the image or the text that you want to animate like this. Once you've selected it, you can see at the top there are options like edit, background remover. Finally, you can see this option of animate right over here. So this is the option you need. Just go ahead and tap there, and once you've done so, now at this corner you have other options. So if you want to use the brush animation, you can do that. It has the option of ink, digital, spray paint, sketch, gradient, and many more. So it's completely your choice on what type of animation you want, and in this way you would successfully be able to animate in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos you would like, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.